friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about my top 5 foundations ranging under ₹1000. आज के वीडियो के लिए मैंने सारा जो लिस्ट बनाया है वो अंडर ₹1000 के फाउंडेशंस के लिए बनाया है, एंड ऑल दीज फाउंडेशंस हैव बीन ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड बाय मी personally. So this is going to be a very interesting video. Let's get on with it. सबसे पहले मैं बता दूं कि मेरी स्किन टाइप ड्राई है और मेरा जो शेड है वो है मीडियम शेड, और आई हैव अ वार्म अंडरटोन. इट कुड ऑल्सो बी सेड दैट आई हैव अ गोल्डन अंडरटोन. इट रेंजेस फ्रॉम गोल्डन टू बेज. किसी फाउंडेशन में मेरा बेज अंडरटोन के फाउंडेशंस आते हैं, कहीं कहीं पर मुझे गोल्डन अंडरटोन के फाउंडेशन सूट करते हैं. सो इट वेरीज. आई विल बी टॉकिंग टू यू गाइज ऑल अबाउट द फाउंडेशंस, द कवरेज, everything relating to the foundation, the cost, the quantity that you are getting. Everything will be told in this video, okay? और मैं इतना भी बता दूं कि इन फाउंडेशंस में से कुछ फाउंडेशंस नॉर्मल टू ड्राई स्किन के लिए है, अदरवाइज कुछ फाउंडेशंस ऑयली स्किन के लिए भी सूटेबल हैं. सो इफ you have any kind of skin, I'm pretty sure you will be able to find at least one foundation for you guys. So let's get on with it. So the very first foundation that I'm gonna be talking about is the new Color Bar 24 Hours Weightless Liquid Foundation. This foundation comes in beautiful 30 shades, and the cost of this foundation is around ₹995 for 25 ml, which is a pretty good quantity if you guess. The packaging is a standard pump applicator. This is the tube packaging, which is different from the classic, glass type of packaging. I seriously love this packaging because ये travel friendly है. Glass bottles are easy to break, definitely. So I just love this packaging. Also tube है, still it has a pump applicator, which is mind blowing. I just love the packaging. This is a very lightweight foundation. It has a moussey finish to it, and it feels really comforting on the skin. It is easily blendable. Like you can see right now I'm wearing this foundation and it has a luminous finish to it. You won't say that it is completely matte, although it is not completely dewy as well. It is suitable for normal to dry skin, definitely, but still I think oily girl can also give it a shot. I'm not sure how it will look on your skin. It does have a luminous finish, but again it's not too dewy, if you know what I mean. The best thing about this foundation is that it does not oxidize, which I love. I hate when the foundation oxidizes, because then what is the need of a foundation having so many shades if it just oxidizes and becomes something else. ये आराम से 9 से 10 घंटे तक आपकी स्किन पे रहता है. although it says 24 hours, but I definitely feel that it doesn't stay for about 24 hours. It stays for about 9 to 10 hours. So guys, I would definitely recommend this foundation. I have seen no flaws in this foundation. There is no cons in this foundation. I would definitely recommend you guys to just give it a shot. The foundation that I want to talk to you about is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. The coverage is super awesome for this foundation. I feel this is one of the most high coverage foundations in affordable range, and it is very similar to the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour in terms of coverage. It has demi matte finish. It is very lightweight. It does not feel heavy on the skin, which is the thing that I like most about this foundation, because being heavy coverage, sometimes foundations feel like something is there on your skin, but it feels very lightweight. It feels very natural. It just feels exactly how the foundation is supposed to be. It is, although matte, it does not have a very luminous finish, so I definitely feel that it would be good for oily skin people as well. But being a dry skin people, I do not feel that it is very drying on the skin. I do not feel that it is cakey or anything. It does not set in my fine lines or wrinkles, so I guess it is as good for dry skin people as it is for oily skin people. This can stay for up to 9 to 10 hours. The cost is about 750 rupees and you get 10 shades in this foundation. Also, the cost is actually for 30 ml pack, which is this guy over here, but they also have a better or bigger version of it which cost around 1200 rupees. But definitely I think this is a very travel friendly packaging. It has a standard tube packaging with a nozzle. I do feel that if it would have been a pump applicator just like the Color Bar one, it would have been better, but still I'm okay with the packaging. Also, one of the cons that this foundation I feel that it has, although I have not seen anybody else talk about it, is that it oxidizes a little bit. It doesn't oxidize as much as a Maybelline Superstay, but again it does oxidize a little bit. Also, this is waterproof, sweat proof, bulletproof, so definitely you got to try this. The next foundation that I want to talk about is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. This is actually a cult favorite foundation and everybody uses it, so it would be very hard for me not to include this foundation in this video because this is definitely one of my favorite as well. This cost for about rupees 549 for 30 ml. It's definitely matte, this is definitely poreless, and it has a smooth buttery finish and it gives my skin really nice texture as well. It doesn't feel dry on the skin, although it says that it is for normal to oily skin, but definitely being a dry skin girl, I do not find that it is very drying on my skin. It does have a satin finish. The packaging is very easy to use. It has a pump applicator. Earlier it used to not have a pump applicator, and definitely last year or so they have introduced the pump as well in it, which makes it very travel friendly and very easy to use. It is available in 18 shades and I'm pretty sure you will be able to find every shade because they have a pretty inclusive range of shades. It has a very faint fragrance, but this is not something very unbearable. This foundation does not have any con at all. This is the most amazing affordable foundation at this price range. You can already see that all the foundations are around 700 or 600 at this time, but this foundation cost only about 549, which is pretty impressive for this quality. It can easily stay for up to 4 to 5 hours. The next foundation is the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. This is the Triple Active Action Formula Anti-Pollution Deep Hydration Oil Control Action Foundation. This little guy cost about rupees 799 for 30 ml and it has a beautiful everyday finish. It isn't very full coverage, it's natural to sheer coverage. I would say that you can build it up for a medium coverage, but definitely not above that. So definitely if you're trying for a more high coverage foundation, I'm sure you will have other picks, but this is for your everyday use, and definitely it is this is also pollution control foundation, so I think it is very good if you are going to college or office. It has SPF 30 in it, so I think it is a very good choice for everyday use. It is good for oily skin and dry skin. I did not find it, very luminous, although it has a very matte finish, but then again I have dry skin, super dry skin, so definitely some foundations do feel a little matte on me, but I think for oily skin people out there as well, this is going to be very good foundation. It has 15 shades and as I said, it costs for about rupees 799 for 30 ml. It can easily stay for up to 5 to 6 hours. I feel that this is a great foundation because you can also apply it with your fingers. If you are not looking for a full coverage, you can apply it on only the spots where you want to conceal or something like that for a very natural finish. This foundation that I want to talk about is again from Maybelline. This is the Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation and this is absolutely gorgeous in terms of coverage. It is extremely full coverage. You can easily, you know, hide your tattoo, hide your acne marks, anything at all. This is definitely medium to high coverage. It has a matte finish and can stay for up to 12 to 14 hours, which is pretty good at this price range. It has the same kind of pump applicator like the Maybelline Fit Me one, and it is very convenient and easy to use. It is available in 9 shade and it is priced for about rupees 750 for 30 ml of product. I believe that it is very good for oily skin people, but being a dry skin, again, this still suits me very well. So this has to be a matte coverage. This is not luminous, dewy or anything like that. So definitely oily skin people are gonna love this foundation. Although I do feel that for dry skin people like myself, you know, you can use a moisturizer beneath it to give it a very glowy finish, or you can even use a liquid highlighter to give that glow from within. Nothing that you cannot, you know, manipulate for your dry skin. It is definitely one of my favorite foundations. Although it does oxidizes a little bit, so definitely try it out in the store before buying. Also, one more thing that I want to mention, that for this foundation a very small amount is enough. It gives pretty high coverage at very minimal amount. So you do not have to you know, apply a lot on your skin to get that smooth buttery finish. Again, this is transfer proof, smudge proof, bullet proof as well. So guys, that was the complete list of foundations that I would definitely recommend for you guys to check out under rupees 1000. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Rizzy Tutorials. Definitely go ahead and check it out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.